Let's keep it real. You the face of the shit. You know what I'm saying? Let's keep it real. You the face of the shit. You know what I'm saying? Let's keep it real. You the face of the shit. You know what I'm saying? Let's keep it real. You the face of the shit. You know what I'm saying? Let's keep it real. You the face of the shit. You know what I'm saying? Let's keep it real. You the face of the shit. You know what I'm saying? Let's keep it real. You the face of the shit. Let's keep it real. You the face of the shit. Let's keep it real. You the face of the shit.
Lie detector determined that was a lie.
Fucking take it, nigga. Fuck you talk about. Oh, friendly ass Hoover, nigga. Fuck salute you, nigga. Nigga know what type of timing I'm on, nigga. Y'all never pop smoke me, nigga. I'll never die. This y'all shit dead. Fuck you talk about, nigga. It's a taker.
This program contains graphic material, including offensive language. Viewer discretion is advised.
Bitch, that's our shit too. Stop motherfucker playing, talking about who motherfucker took what, bitch. So all you do is steal motherfucking crabs. Oh, y'all a bunch of criminals. What? Gangsters, wanksters, studio flunkies, junkies, monkeys, stupid ass backbiters, back pinchers. Oh yeah, get off me, bitch. Get off. I'm stepping on crabs. Bitch. What? Google me, alright. Let's go. Yeah. I don't give a fuck if you like, you gonna respect the dog.
Get over here!
Welcome back. It's the dog. So let me go ahead and explain this to all you niggas, right? All you California niggas, right? There is no such thing as a face of the hood. The hood don't got no face. Listen to me very carefully. The hood don't got no face. Shit, they're gonna have to start calling me Swoop No Face. Yeah, have you ever heard No Face, No Case? Yeah, 3-0. So a lot of y'all niggas get yourself confused with things like trophies, right? And I ain't even saying that like a hood trophy. Like, oh yeah, niggas hood trophy. You know, a hood trophy, what was another word for that? Fucking hood mascot. What's another word for the face of the hood? Hood mascot, okay? Fucking hood mascots. That's really what y'all niggas are. Just hood mascots, bruh. While we talking about hood mascots, let's dive more deep into the representation of the San Francisco Giants mascot, which is a wet pussy, a seal, a sea lion, okay? It's a lion-ass seal. It's a wet pussy. And I can see why this other nigga, Jay Heartless, is a wet pussy. You know, look at him. He looked like a goddamn cat. You know, cat people motherfuckers, just like Tyga. You know, him and Tyga look like, you know, one-offs of each other. Have you ever heard Jay Heartless rap? It sound like if Nipsey Hussle and Jack 5 had a baby. That'd be, you know, you damn sure know this nigga's a Nipsey Hussle fan, because he sound and look a lot like her. He just seemed like he sound like the Hoover version of Nappy Hussle. That's all this nigga is. Cat people ass nigga. They some cat snake motherfuckers too. Hissing and slithering around. You know, big S's, right? Snakes. Snitches. Snitch-o. 3-0. Let me go ahead and just explain this to y'all, bro. And then Tyga, right? Tyga also. Tyga. A cat, right? Tyga, of course, he's a Giants fan. Of course, you know, he's the face. He's the real, actually, I would say that he's the real face of 7-4 Hoover. He was the first motherfucking Hoover in a 7-4 hat, or at least the Giants hat, representing the Giants. Now, I would imagine Milk be more of a goddamn San Francisco fan, but you know, he can't be wearing San Francisco shit because y'all gonna pull up that damn mascot and y'all gonna realize, oh damn, Milk's a fucking industry plant. You know, he's literally a mascot. That's you don't want to be associated with the San Francisco Giants because you gonna pull up that damn mascot. Yeah, you gonna see, yeah, this dude ain't who the fuck he say he is. Yeah, and motherfucking Jay Heartless, scary ass, Is it scary or is it paid off? Is it industry plant, motherfucker? Like, obviously, this dude's an industry plant. It's like how you go up on No Jumper. They tell you don't say shit about Milk Sevenfold yet. Yeah, make up an excuse. Any excuse would do, right? Any excuse would do. Because you can't talk about the hood trophy, aka the hood mascot. Which one's the hood mascot? Which one's got the trophy? Which one's the hood trophy? I'm gonna say the hood trophy would be Milk 7 Goofy. He the one with the money. Jay Heartless, you broke.